Good day and welcome to the Phono Cave. Today I'm going to make a video about, as you can see, bottles. And this I got kind of the inspiration for this by watching the YouTube channel Northern Mudlarks. And what they do is they go out to tidal rivers and search the riverbanks for hidden treasures. A lot of it is, for instance, on the beaches are pieces of glass from bottles, or even when they find a bottle dump, they find complete bottles like this. Well, not like this, because these still have their contents. Well, most of them. This is a water jug, and as you can see, it's still sealed. I have quite a number of those. Beer bottle with beer still inside. I wouldn't try that, by the way, but later on we're definitely going to try the water jug. Water was, of course, a staple for people in the past, and still is. For instance, this is a huge Belgium water bottle from, I would say, the 1950s. It has, as you can see on the other side, shrinking rings on the bottom, and that's indicative that it's from after the war. Well, I'm going to put that away. That's going to clean some space on the table. And I think I'm going to put this one away too. This is a big jug. We don't need to open that. This is a wine bottle. As you can see, it's etched glass with paint on it, which is also still sealed. These bottles that I just shown are about 1900s or so, early 1900s. This one too. So now we got some space. We pretty much said, well, this is a water bottle too, we don't need that one. It's also quite an early one, also still sealed. There we are. And a few videos of the Mudlarks back, they had found a bottle with this shape there, and they saw on TV that with the Antique Roadshow that they identified a bottle like this, like a white wine bottle, but it isn't. It's Belgium lemonade. Don't know what taste it is. We're going to find out, because we've got a corkscrew and we've got a glass as well. So we're definitely going to try and taste it. Otherwise, I probably will have to source some water elsewhere. This is a Belgian beer bottle with beautiful writings on it. It's a bit, beautiful type of glass making in those days, and it wasn't perfect, and the imperfections actually make the glass more beautiful. And if we go back, way back, then you have something like this. This is a case gin bottle. Case because it's square, so it would fit in a case better. The way it was made, it was blown into a square. It was blown into a square wooden mold. In that way, the sides of the glass would stay thicker. Because the problem with glass blowing is that you can make bottles as big as you want. The only problem is, the more you blow it, the thinner the glass gets, and the easier it breaks. Which is not very handy when you need to transport stuff. That's rather, well, irritating. The way they would do this is they would blow this in a mold, and then when the bottle was nearly done, but still red hot, they would turn the mold over and push the bottle out. And what you see on the bottom is the prongs that push the still soft glass out of the mold. Then they would have clamps to hold the glass, and let's see, you can see a rim here, and when we go to the other side you can see a rim there from the prongs that held it like this. This bottle I recently found or bought for El Cheapo because it has a frost crack in it, which strangely isn't all the way through. So I think I'm going to repair that with some super glue at a certain date. Well, put that away as well. And we had that out of the way, and well, then we come to the point of drinking, or at least looking to find out. And oh, I need to be sitting for that. Well, I need to find out how well the camera is positioned, because otherwise you won't see my face. There, I think that's perfect. There we are. Okay. I had a little thingy to scratch the wax, but where did I put it? Well, doesn't really matter. Okay, well, use the nails or something like that. Oh, that's tight. Ooh. Oh, here it is. That's rather hard. There we are. Cork is exposed. Now to get the corkscrew. What we do is turn. It's out, I think. No. No, it doesn't. It disintegrates. Well, logical. But, ooh. I can tell you, smelly wise, not a happy camper. No. This is definitely very bad for you to drink that. Well, didn't expect anything of that. Well, that's a pity. But, you know, I kind of expected that would happen. Where can I put that thing? Oh, there. So, we're going to leave the lemonade as well, because I had a other plan. And, you know, this is a cod bottle. Right? Why they are called cod bottles? Well, if you look at the shape of it, kind of reminds you of a fish. But it could be something else, because a cod is also, well, basically a scrotum, you know, not where first grow. That way, why people in the 16th century had cock pieces. But I think this looks more like the fish, the cod, yeah, not a scrotum. So, you out of the way as well. This is the modern version. Comes from Japan, and it's basically the same thing. The only difference is that the rubber ring is in a piece of plastic. Well, where is the opening bit? I reckon this is probably blueberries. So, and when you look on top, you see the little marble. And to get the marble to the place where you can drink material, you've got a pusher right here. You push that pusher out of this ring, then you place it on top, and you push really hard. There we are. Now the marble is inside the bottle and you can pour. I wonder if I hold it upside down, then indeed it stops. Look. So it's a bit of a safety feature as well. Well, that should do it. Now you can see the marble even better. Right. And we'll have a taste. And with that, I basically going to say Happy New Year to you all, and hope it's a good one. This is nice. I didn't expect it to be carbonated actually. Mostly these Coke bottle drinks are uncarbonated, but this one is carbonated and it's pretty nice. It's a bit of generic generic chemical blueberry taste, but you know, it's like drinking blueberry chewing gum. Very nice. And I was thirsty as well. What a pity that water was very bad, but yeah, this really smells of you know, of sewer. This is really, really, really bad. If you drink this, I'd probably get some 1880s disease. Maybe even from smelling it. It's really bad. Ugh. Well, and pretty much we know what the other one tastes like, so well, I think that's it. A wave and a shout out to the northern mudlarks. I hope you will go and see them on YouTube, and they're probably on Facebook too. Northern mudlarks. So, with that, I'm going to stand up and end this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and hit the little bell icon, and I see you for the next one. Well, goodbye.